How to mute and unmute Instagram stories. Hi everyone, it is GuideHacks, and in this video I will show you how to mute and unmute Instagram stories. Now let's get started. First we need to open our Instagram app. Then we need to open Instagram stories that you would like to mute. And at the top right corner near the cross we need to find 3 dots and tap on them. In appearing menu we need to tap on mute. Now we can click on mute story and posts. And I will click on mute story. And from this point we will not see the stories from this user. If you want to unmute, you need to go to the research bar just by clicking on the loop at the bottom. And here we should write username whom stories you have muted. Now we need to find option following and tap on it. In appearing menu we need to click on mute and switch off option stories. And that's all, it was how to mute and unmute Instagram stories. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we would appreciate if you subscribe to our GuideHacks channel.